The transmission on my Cub Cadet tractor jerks. Is it low on fluid? If so, where and how do I add some, and what do I add? October 27, 2012. Please cancel this request.
Hi, my name is XXXXX XXXXX. We'll try and help you with this today. Your tractor does not have a hydro transmission. The rear axle is only forward and rear and everything else is done by belts. You have two belts in the drive system. One comes from the engine, goes through two idler pulleys and back to a split pulley, and a second belt that goes from the split pulley around the transmission pulley to a idler pulley. So if you're getting a jerking in the drive, I would check the belts for wear and check to see if the three idler pulleys are free spinning, as the bearings go bad and one might not be turning. The jerking is most likely coming from the belts unless you hear clunking or grinding coming for the rear axle. This drive system is picky about belts and wear to the width and length. To get to the second belt, it is under the seat and battery. You have to remove the battery and the bracket it sits on under the seat. I hope this helps. If not, please ask me for more help. Thanks, Glen. Also, here is a parts breakdown of your drive system. Just click on the link below, http://www.partstree.com/parts/?LC equals Cub_Cadet and MN equals 1170 plus S% 2FN plus 1H019H plus 1H310H and DN equals 0015800013. Thanks, Glen.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.